Hey everyone, I'm ExitSign250 and welcome to the boards episode 4, and this will be of board number 2. Let's get started. So first, with the 3-zone EST fire shield for the pole stations, we have my Johnson Controls JBGX101L. It's really just a BG10L because I took off the addressable module on the back. Over to the right, we have an FCI B5. This is just a rebrand of a Kita B5. It's a vintage pole station, and I really think it's pretty interesting too. For the notification appliances, we have my Wheelock EH-DL1 horn strobe, fixed 110 candela, and then beside of it is the Wheelock MT, and it's fixed 1575 candela, which you can see it down there. Both of these are on code 3, or continuous, but the panel's coding it to code 3. And something I didn't really plan is, in real life I can hear both of these horns fine, but on the video I was doing some tests and you can only hear this horn strobe. So I guess for this video this will be basically acting as a remote strobe even though the horn is connected. Then for the detector we have my Chemitronics heat detector. Kind of, boring, but I didn't really know what else to put up here. Jumping to the 10-zone fire shield, for the pole stations we have the Firelight BG12L, the GameL Sentry, also known as the M69, and the Notifier BNG1 in silver. To the notification appliances, we have the System Sensor Mass, and I have the trim plate on it. It's the non-ADA Mass, and I also have it set to slow whoop. There's no notification appliance here because I have it up on the ceiling spot. This is the other System Sensor Mass I own, and it's the ceiling mount strobe, also non-ADA. And you can see the detectors. Right here is the System Sensor 2400TH smoke and heat, and then on the other side is the System Sensor 2412, basically just a 2400, but this one has a relay, and I believe it's 12 volts. And because it has a relay, I actually have it hooked up to 2 zones this time. One zone is just your standard fire zone, but then I have the other one on a supervisory zone, so if this detector activates, it'll trigger both a fire alarm and a supervisory. That's everything I got installed, so now let's activate. We'll start off with this system. So let's pull the FCI B5. Here we go. Lift and pull. You can see it was on zone 2. Audible silence, not sync though. And we'll activate this system with the GameL Sentry. And silenced. These aren't synced either. We'll go ahead and reset the FCI B5, and hopefully I'll be able to do it on camera one-handed. This is a tricky pole station to reset. This is the inside. Okay. We can go ahead and reset. And let's re-alarm with this system. We'll do the 2400TH. There we go, and now this thing's beeping because there's no batteries. Go ahead and reset the GameL Sentry. There's the inside. This is also a tricky pole station to reset, but kind of mastered it over the years that I've had it. There we go. There's the audible silence still, and we'll reset. There we go. Okay, let's pull this now. Go ahead and reset this pull station and reset the panel. There you go, you can see a supervisory on zone 7 and an alarm in zone 8, which was all caused by this detector. What I'll do now is reset this system. Oh. Ha! I think I sprayed so much smoke saber that that detector activated. Whoops. Well, anyways, like I was saying, we'll reset this. And reset this panel. And hopefully that detector is cleared by now. That's about it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of it. And I guess I'll see you in another one.